Question: DS. What is the area of rhombus ABCD in the above figure? Condition 1. The length of one side, AD, of the rhombus ABCD is 2. Condition 2. The length of diagonal AC of the rhombus ABCD is 2. Solution. Let's solve this DS question using the variable approach. A rhombus has 2 variables, so C is the most likely answer. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the area of rhombus ABCD. Follow the second and third steps. Let's modify the original condition and the question. Since a rhombus has equal lengths of the 4 sides, has 2 variables, A and B, where A is the length of each side and B is the length of the one diagonal, shown as above figure, to match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 2 more equations, since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each. It's about 70% likely C would be the answer. This question seems very complicated, but the answer is C because a rhombus has 2 variables. Recall 3 principles and choose C as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at conditions 1 and 2 together. Condition 1 and condition 2 tell us that line segment AD equals 2, and line segment AC equals 2. These values correspond with our variables A and B, that is, A equals 2 and B equals 2. With this information, we can figure out the area of the rhombus. By using the Pythagorean theorem, we can figure out the length of DB, which is 2 times the square root of 3, as shown in the figure above. The area of the rhombus is half of line segment AC times line segment BD equals half of 2 times of square root of 3, that is equal to 2 times of square root of 3. This value is unique, so conditions 1 and 2 combined are sufficient by CMT 2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. I've shown you the full explanation because this is a lesson. Just memorize the answer is C, because a quadrilateral with 4 equal sides is a rhombus. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are sufficient. Thus, C is the correct answer. At this point, you should be pretty convinced as to how effective the variable approach is for DS questions on the GMAT. Answer: C.